Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over the top 5 underrated effects in Final Cut Pro. So if you're interested in any post-production in Final Cut Pro, please subscribe to the channel because we come out with all types of effects and post-production help on this channel. So if you're interested in that, subscribe. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, for our first effect, we have the Letterbox, so we're gonna go to our effects tab and type in Letterbox, and we're just gonna drag it on our clip. And what this does is it just makes our footage more professional and movie-like. So we're gonna go to the aspect ratio. We're gonna go to 2.35 to 1. And as you can see, it makes our footage look a lot more movie-like because of the borders. And that is effect number 1. Okay, our next effect is going to be the rain effect. As you can see, this is in broad daylight. And what we're going to do here is we are going to type in rain in our effects tab, and we're going to drag on this rain. Click it over here. As you can see, you can change the direction angle of the rain. You can adjust it here in the parameters. You can start from the beginning, and it looks a lot realistic right there. And you can also add rain sound effects to make it even more realistic. But as you can see, broad daylight, now it looks like realistic rain. And that is the second effect. This next effect is going to be the sketch effect. And as you can see, once you drag that on the clip, it changes the whole dynamic of the clip, makes it look a little bit more cartoonish. If you want that look, you can change the intensity of it right here. And that is the third effect. Let's move on to the fourth effect. Our fourth effect is going to be in our generators tab. And it will be under elements. And this is the time code. Now with this, as you can see right here, this is the time code. Shows the time. You can obviously adjust all of these things according to what you want it to look like. Change the font. And yeah, that's our fourth effect. And for our last and final effect, we're gonna type in highlights and drag that on our clip. And what this basically does is it has a highlight of lights that just beams around the scene throughout the length of the clip. So as I play it, you'll see what I'm talking about. That light that is gleaming. So if you want to go for like a kind of a trippy look, you can use the highlight effect, and you can obviously adjust the intensity of the light. You can dim it down. You can go from cool to warm. And those are my top 5 underrated effects in Final Cut Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you liked it, consider liking the video and subscribing, because we will be coming out with content soon. So I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.